On the 20th of April 1792, the French Revolutionary Wars began when the French Assembly voted for war against Austria. Welcome to HistoryPod. Emperor Leopold II of Austria and King Frederick Wilhelm II of Prussia in particular saw the upheaval in France as a destabilizing force, with far-reaching implications for the European balance of power. In response to pleas from French émigrés and the beleaguered Louis XVI himself, they felt compelled to consider intervention to restore the monarchy and quell the revolutionary tide. In 1791, Austria stationed troops on the border with France and, together with Prussia, issued the Declaration of Pillnitz that threatened war if King Louis XVI or his wife, Marie Antoinette, were threatened. However, rather than serving as a deterrent to the French revolutionaries, it was interpreted as a provocative act of interference in the country's internal affairs. The French declaration of war was therefore part of a broader strategy by the revolutionary government to pre-empt foreign intervention and unite the French people behind the revolutionary cause. By framing the conflict as a defensive war against foreign aggression, the revolutionary leaders hoped to rally popular support for the war effort and strengthen their hold on power. France would eventually face a coalition of most of the major European powers. This war, coupled with internal turmoil within France, such as the September massacres and the overthrow of the monarchy, culminated in the establishment of the First French Republic and the execution of Louis XVI. The French Revolutionary Wars went on to span 2 decades and lasted until the eventual defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte in 1815, reshaping the entire political landscape of Europe.